Now, maybe in your professional experience, you've been involved in a production where you've had maybe a guest presenter coming in, and the guest presenter has been asked well in advance what the technical requirements are. Do they need a projector? Do they need audio? And they've replied that, well, it's all okay, blah, blah, blah. And then they turn up and they actually ask for the ability to play audio from their presentation during their presentation. And you have, let's say, 30 seconds to make that work. If you have StageLink boxes around, that's not actually going to be a problem, because you will see on the back of the StageLink boxes there is a USB connection. Now, the USB connection basically allows it to work as a USB audio device, which will then be recognized by the computer and uses standard drivers. So there's no need to install a specific driver. You can just connect the USB connection and the computer, whether it's Windows or Mac, will see that extra audio device, and the audio from the presentation can be routed to it, and then the audio inside the box can then be routed over the network to the mixer. Now, it also allows us to add in, for example, a listening station. If you want to have someone quickly be able to turn up somewhere and listen in to some audio stream that is anywhere in the local network, you can also plug a USB headset into the USB port, and that will allow us to take audio out of the StageLink box and provide it to the USB headset. It will also allow you, for example, if you're running the StageLink with an Artist or Bolero system, you can connect USB audio from a computer into the StageLink and then have that computer audio available as part of your intercom system, be that Artist, be that Bolero, be that an integrated Bolero system with Artist, but that's maybe a story for another video. But it allows you to take that computer audio and very quickly and easily get it into your intercom system without needing any kind of virtual sound card, which will then put it into the network on a software basis.